In today's video, I have a large Dollar Tree haul. I'm getting ready for August. Hint, hint. Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started.
So I picked up some of these. I actually got them because of the bus. You will see some things that will create a theme. Love these cards. Love these. These are Post-it notes. Beautiful. Beautiful Post-it notes. This I had never seen there before. Little sticky notes. A friendship bracelet kit. Some more really pretty cards. This is a photo album. Some star beads. Some bubble. They're pearly beads. Pearls. Are we in? Some pearls. A pink lei. Yellow paper clips. Some hair. Look at this one. I liked that one. And pull the box. A scrunchie. Some stickers and some Heidi Swapp Project Life. They're from 2015, but they have numbers. Thought they would be kind of fun. Stickers, summer, and dots, and a flamingo coloring book. I liked this because it's all flamingos. And that's something else. And some green ribbon, some pink. Other things have gotten put in here. Some more of the pearls. Some of their cards. I'm going to go stand over here and I'll just put them over. So, treat bags. Lace. I did find lace, so I picked that up. Some green. This is the sticky kind, like I usually get at Michael's. And they had it at Dollar Tree. A couple of spray bottles. They did have some paper tape, washi substitute, because you know it's not made on washi paper, so it's paper tape. Okay, it's cute. It's got little dogs. Okay, this scarf with the beautiful colors. Tropical. This one with the sea turtles. Okay, I did pick up some flowers. They had, it's like they had found a box of their spring and put it out. So I went ahead and grabbed those. Okay. Some scissors. And some fragrance-free baby wipes. The burlap lace, we call it. A container of buttons. Invitations. Some pretty pens. Okay, I'll just pull from the middle right here. Okay, so another one of the Post-it notes. It's a little bit different. Some of my favorite stickers. They have these butterflies. And some more of the little dots. Lucy has come to join us. So I did pick up some stencils, some alphabet stickers that have words on them, some more stencils. I love the Dollar Tree stencils. Okay, we've got some tropical stickers. I see a theme here. Sticky notes, tropical cards, and note papers. Okay, so still a whole bunch more in this box. I have some of the rub-on transfers. Do you see some themes going on here? Some of the key tags, they only have the one package of white, and some of the small tags. Multi-purpose clips. Look at this, isn't that so cute? Bless this nest. There's 50 sheets, list pad. This was over in the section, the separate section where they have, in the Dollar Tree that I got that one at, it's over by the wall of utensils and things like that. Have the cute daisy. Some planner stickers that are watercolor. I got this because of the daisies. I love, 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 love those. So we have some watercolor. See a theme? Oh my gosh, are those not adorable? So, crown jewels. I mean, even this can be used, decorate on top of that, and I just think that that's going to be so much fun. I love these cards. Okay. So then also some sticky notes. This was beautiful. The thank you with the roses around it. And then this one also that matches. I have a couple of ideas of how to use those. And then these leaves. And these packages are having between 6 and 8. Some of them still have the 8 cards, but usually they are the 6. They've switched to 6 cards to a package. Okay, colored index cards, kind of a staple, but our store hasn't had them in a while, so I did pick those up. I got these. I liked the gray and the gray checkerboard. These are fun to make bookmarks and tags out of. And so there's that. I love this this book. I wish I could have found more with the great sayings. And I love those colors. And they, you see, like I said, there's some themes going on in here. So, okay, I did pick up some 4th of July or patriotic stuff. I love using this because it's waxed. It just works really well. So, yeah, they had some planner stickers that were in the red, white, and blue and gold, the flag. So all of this from Dollar Tree. Popcorn bags with the stripes, the blue cards, the rub-on transfers, a star stencil. So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, this right here, the labels, you get 20 pieces. So 10 sheets probably. Okay. And then this was kind of fun. I hadn't seen this before. Writing fiction, writing prompts. And so I thought this might be kind of fun to add in with a journal that you're giving. I don't know. I want to look at it closer. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? So there you go. And a weekly planner. The envelopes, the clasp peel and seal envelopes. Okay, next batch. Some chalkboard tags. Okay, these are not the heavy card or heavy wood, they're actually like cardboard. And then some planner stickers, and they are ocean themed. The little fish and the seahorse. These labels. Oh, I got a couple of those. I thought these would be cute as like a splash. And I got some mermaid stickers that are chalkboard. And they had this tissue, the marbly kind of tissue, and some underwater stencils. So sharks and fish and seahorse. Okay, see a theme? They had this blue glitter paper. This is adhesive cork sheet, so you can make stickers out of this. Love it. Put this back in. Composition book. It's wide rolled. I prefer college rolled, but that's what they had, so that's what I got. My favorite 9x12 sketch pad. A lot of the books I'm finding take 9x12 paper. So then this, I actually got this for Shelly. So need to put that in a separate place. Okay, so look at the tissue. Okay, there's 8 sheets. So probably 2 of each. I'm hoping. Okay, and we have Daisy. This is going to go great with the new Daisy, colorful Daisy digital kit, I think. So, and it's also got my favorite black and white polka dots. I loved this. If you notice when we started, the blanket underneath on the edge of this bed is the Eiffel Tower. This is the guest room, and it is my Paris room. Okay, so then they had this folder. And again, towards the end. So they did have the 8-inch doilies. So I did pick those up. Some polka dot, that'll go great with like the tropical computer paper. There's 24 sheets, and then there's some gray swirls, and then there was some dogs. Okay, and then in the home decor stuff, look at these stickers. There's a kookaburra and a June bug and a mushroom and a leaf and an ivy. I mean, these are totally different than the normal that you see. An owl, a nest, a pine cone. So, an adorable alphabet set, I think. Watch for those. And then I did grab one of the other doily sets. So this is a very, very large Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to show you that I picked up just a few things at the Walmart. I got these, and I actually got them because of I wanted a holder, but I have some ideas of how to play with these, so I picked that up. It was $1. $1.04 for the yellow pins, and you know I use those a lot of ways. Look at the Pioneer Woman napkin, and there's a recipe on the inside of the napkin. I thought those were really fun. You get 24 of those, and that was at Walmart. The Pioneer Woman. And then this cute fat quarter this one with the paws, and this one with the stars. And I just like them, so I got those to add to my add to my stash. So what was your favorite thing from this haul, and what is it that you're looking for at the Dollar Tree? I don't think I need to go there for a while. I actually went looking for the rubber stamps and the dies, and we still don't have those. We had the rubber stamps at one store one time, and I haven't seen them since. But I got this for some upcoming projects. I also picked up some books from the book section, and I chose them by the color of the outside of the book. So you'll see those when I get to the projects. This is a sample of some of the fun things that will be coming in August. Remember, number 8 is my favorite number. Find something to celebrate every day. Make sure you tell us which 1, 2, 10, 15 things were your favorite, and what would you love to find at Dollar Tree or your local dollar store. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.